Here we have another Skellinton brawl. Here we are in Candy. How are you guys hitting him? Like legit, how are you guys hitting these guys? Gotta rebuild one. Anyways, here we are in Candyland. Here we are in Candyland. Why did I do that? Hey, wait, this guy, get out! Get out! Get out! Jeez. These guys, they're like children. Here we are in Candyland, and why is it daytime? Anyways, here we are with the king of Gumdrop Kingdom. We have Gumby Creeper. He has taken out so much Enderman habitats, and he has done it without leaving a trace of that habitat left. Here we have Birdman once again. And here on the other side we have a new contender. We have Cookie. Birdman seems to be relying on... Anyways, man, there are a lot of interruptions. Wow. Who? Oh my gosh. Birdman seems to be relying on his strength from last time. He has grown a lot stronger. But Cookie seems to be relying on his armor and his wits. He is very fast. Let's see if we can use that speed to run this competition into the ground. Okay, we are closing the gates. Ooh, looks like Cookie is eager to fight. He's eager to fight. What the? Oh yeah, boom! Dude, he got in an air shot. That was crazy. He jumped into the air and got an air shot. Let's see if Birdman can do the same. He dodged. Oh no, he got shot into the thing. And where did he go? Where did he actually go? Okay, we were able to get them back into fighting mode. Let's see if Birdman can dodge. Ooh, looks like Birdman died. Okay, 2 points for both of them. Come on, get him angry. Ooh, Cookie has 2 points. Oh crap, I think I accidentally named... You guys gotta stop moving. Okay, what are they gonna do? I don't know. Oh, both of them have 2 points. I'm not sure if this is gonna go good for Cookie. Looks like Birdman has an enchantment on his bow. Oh crap. That's not good. We gotta make it rain. Okay. Okay, let's try it again. Dude! Freaking referees! Not again! You guys gotta stop moving. So I can name you guys before you... Oh my gosh! Referees! I swear. Ugh. Stupid referees. I swear I hate them. No, don't you freaking... Okay. Dude. He was able to use the... He was able to use his shot, the arrow, to his advantage. Oh wait! Cookie is the winner. Wow. I did not expect Cookie to pull off a flawless, crazy stunts like that. I have a feeling he might come back for next time. But in the regular world. Now he's trying to punch the villagers because he's mad. I think I was mad that he didn't get a flawless victory like Birdman did. Wait, he's getting pushed outside. No, stop getting pushed outside. I need to push you inside. Come on, come on. Get it. Okay. I have a feeling that Birdman will come next time. Anyways, thank you everybody for watching. Thanks everybody for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe, and be sure to hit the notification bell for more videos. And I'll see you, and quite possibly Cookie, in the next Skellinton brawl. Bow now now.